IndieBudgetMovieMaker.com, where we're going to show you how you can make your own short film or videos without spending a lot of money.
My video any, so I've got the video set up the way I want to. Okay, now what we want to do is we want to go ahead and crop our video here. Let's go ahead and get it on the timeline to an area that we want to be centered. Let's go ahead and center on this lovely young lady here running out all covered in blood. Let's go ahead and go where it says crop a layer or output, and we want it to be 200 pixels wide, and we want it to be the entire height of our video, which is 360. And I think we got it there. Let's go ahead and click Do It and apply the changes to the video. Let's start at the beginning and hit play. And I have the text pretty much where I want it in the center. So everything looks good. If you don't have it where you want it, you can go ahead and play with the X1 and Y1 and drag and drop your handles on the crop box there to get it where you want it. Everything is where I want it. Let's go ahead and click Jump to End. My video is going to end right there at 44 seconds. Let's go to the beginning. Everything is set up. It's exactly the way I want it. We're ready to go ahead and render the file. File Render. We are going to render it onto my desktop. Call it clown.mov. And we are now rendering our file. You can see the progress bar here on the lower right-hand corner. Once your file has been rendered, let's go ahead and play it here and see if we like it. You can go ahead and check it for quality. Everything looks absolutely fine. We'll skip right to the end. Everything looks good. Now I'll show you the properties of the video. The video is now 200 by 360. We want to go ahead and we want to alter the dimensions of it to 200 by 600. We're going to stretch it and maintain the width. So now let's go ahead and open up FFmpeg. Now with that is a command line video tool that you can use to encode video, make a lot of different changes to it. And we've got all this gobbledygook here. I'm going to have it on the website where you can see it for yourself and alter it as needed. There's a lot of documentation online on FFmpeg. If you have Ubuntu Linux installed and you have Cinelerra and your different video editors installed, FFmpeg should be installed as well. I do recommend going to the Ubuntu forum and look up how to install the latest FFmpeg with H.264. It'll give you all the newest, latest, and greatest libraries there. Basically, I'm issuing the command for FFmpeg to go ahead and take this file, clown.mov. The S switch indicates we're going to change the size to 200 by 600. The dash same Q is same quality. The dash AR dash AB are settings for your audio, and we're going to output it as clown.swf. Go ahead and hit enter, and it's encoding. You can see down here at the bottom, it won't take it long at all, and once it goes back to desktop, we've got it. Let's go ahead and I'm going to open it with my SWF deck flash player. And it's playing. I've got the volume that I can hear. Okay, so if you want to hear the final product and see it in action, you've got it on the website Killer Clown Theater. Okay, so the next thing we've got to do is go ahead and get this puppy into our web page, and I'll show you how we do that. I've got to upload the file, which is going to be called clown.swf, to my website. Right now, here is the encoding that I've got here, the object, which is going to be embedded onto the web page, which tells your browser to play the flash file. There was an old one on the website which was called puppy.swf. We're going to change that to our new file, which is clown.swf. So I'm going to highlight that in my text editor, and we're going to hit search, replace. And we're going to replace puppy with clown. Click replace all. Close. There's about 4 places on there where you will have the coding here call up the video. We've got it in this position here. Clown.swf here, and we've got it here, and then we've got it here again. You also need to make your changes on your HTML for the Flash player to have the correct resolution, 200 by 600. That done, you can go ahead and save your file, upload both the HTML and the video file, the SWF file, to your web page. Let's go to Killer Clown Theater here once again. Hit reload. There you go. We've got it successfully on the page there. I also have a setting which I didn't tell you about. I'll bring this up here, and where it says loop false. What that does is that will stop it from playing over and over and over again. Had I have set that loop false to true there, and then I do believe the autoplay to true as well, it would continue to repeat on and on and on. I don't want to annoy visitors to the website any more than possible. I figure, hey, they hear it once. That's all they need to hear it. And thanks for checking us out today. For more information, you can go to the website. Have a good one. Take care.